Good morning, my name is Charles, and today I'm going to show you how I make my keto coffee, so stay tuned. I start out every morning with a cup of keto coffee, and today I'm going to show you how I make it. It only takes 2 minutes to make, and it's delicious. So I start off with 3 cups of strong coffee. Then I'll add a spoonful of ghee. When you go to the store and pick up your ghee, make sure you get the kind that does not have coconut oil in it. It does not taste the same with coconut oil. Use regular ghee. If you can't find ghee, I recommend using the grass-fed butter. It works just as fine. So here we add a spoonful of ghee. Next I'm going to add ground turmeric. And the reason I add ground turmeric is turmeric has several medical benefits. It's known for relieving depression, for helping inflammation in the joints. It just has multiple benefits when you actually use it. So I just add a little bit of this to my coffee every morning. Next thing I add to my coffee is MCT oil. I buy mine on Amazon. I will put a link in the show notes so you can buy it directly there. If you can't find MCT oil or you don't want to spend the money on this, you can substitute coconut oil, which you can find at your local store. Now when I mix my keto coffee, I don't like mixing it by hand. I want to make sure everything gets mixed in there thoroughly like it should be. So what I do is I use one of these bullets. I use a NutriBullet, which you can pick up online at your local store. You can also use a blender. I just find it much easier to use one of these bullets and clean it out every day when I'm done with it. Just simple soap and water. It's nice and clean, ready to go. Once your keto coffee is thoroughly mixed, just add it to your favorite cup. In this case, I'm going to add it to my favorite Yeti. It even has my name on it. This will stay nice and warm. It'll keep you going for hours, give you plenty of energy, and it tastes delicious. Give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you like this video, leave a comment and I'll make more just like it. Tell me what you're looking for and I'll see if I can get the video made. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your keto coffee.